Structure of DNA. Firstly, introduction. Nucleic acid was first isolated in 1868 by Swiss physician Friedrich Michels from the nuclei of pus cells. He called it न्यूक्लिन. 1 मार्क्स क्वेश्चन कभी कभी पूछा जाता है, व्हाट इज़ न्यूक्लिन, या कहाँ से सबसे पहले डीएनए ट्रेस किया गया, तो पस सेल्स मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट वर्ड है इसके लिए. एंड इन 1884 आस्कर हार्टविग wrote nuclein is the substance responsible for the transmission of hereditary characters. Nuclein was renamed nucleic acid by R. Altman in 1889. He discovered 2 types of nucleic acid, like a nucleotide and nucleoside. Kornberg synthesized DNA in vitro in 1961. DNA is called as genetic blueprint. Its exhibit autocatalytic functions. The genetic blueprint, the substance that control the inheritance of trait from one generation to the next and express its effect of the trait by its formation and function is called genetic material. By the several evidences by the different scientists and their experiments, it has been concluded that only DNA, sometimes RNA, is the genetic material. Now let us discuss the DNA, its structure and functions. DNA, deoxyribose nucleic acid. Structure was proposed by James Watson and Francis Crick in 1953. The DNA consists of 4 types of basic unit called nucleotides. Each nucleotide is made up of pentose sugar, deoxyribose sugar in DNA and ribose sugar in RNA, and a phosphate groups and a nitrogen base. A subunit composed of only sugar and the nitrogen base is called nucleoside, and including phosphate group, nitrogen base and sugar, it's called nucleotide. Most important question, difference between nucleotide and nucleoside. In eukaryotic cells, DNA is linear and largely confined to the nucleus as a component of the chromosomes. It is called nuclear DNA. And a small quantity of DNA also occurs in the mitochondria and plastids. Means chloroplast and mitochondria में स्मॉल क्वांटिटी में डीएनए होते हैं. और टाइप्स ऑफ डीएनए 5 टाइप्स के होते हैं. A, B, C, D and Z. On the basis of direction of coiling, right-handed DNA A, B, C, D ये चारों राइट हैंडेड होते हैं, जबकि Z जो होता है वो लेफ्ट हैंडेड होता है. बेस पेयर्स पर टर्न 11 होते हैं A DNA में, B में 10, 9 C में, D में 8 और 12 इन नंबर्स Z में. एंड SP बैकबोन स्मूथ, सब में स्मूथ होता है, Z में जिगजैग फॉर्म में होता है. एंड लास्ट लेंथ ऑफ टर्न 34 एंगस्ट्रॉन्ग. A में, B में 34, C में 30 एंगस्ट्रॉन्ग, D में 30 एंगस्ट्रॉन्ग